Hey cleaning enthusiasts! Today I'm here to talk about the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. If you're looking to elevate your cleaning game, this one is a game changer. First off, let's talk about the HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal technology. This vacuum traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside, making it perfect for anyone with allergies or asthma. Say goodbye to sneezing fits and hello to fresher air. Next up, swivel steering. Maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces has never been easier. You'll breeze through your house with minimal effort, hitting every nook and cranny. It's like vacuuming on cruise control. And for those of you with multiple floor types, the Shark NV352 handles it all. From plush carpets to hardwood floors, this vacuum transitions seamlessly. Plus, it's got wide upholstery and crevice tools for those tough-to-reach spots. Stairs, furniture, baseboards, nothing stands a chance. But wait, there's more. The lift-away feature is a total game changer. Simply detach the canister and you're ready to tackle above-floor cleaning like a pro. Drapes, ceiling fans, and even car interiors, this vacuum does it all. And let's not forget the color. A sleek lavender finish not only looks good but also adds a pop of style to your cleaning routine. Who knew cleaning could look this chic? So why do you need the Shark NV352 Navigator? It's simple efficiency, versatility, and healthier living. Imagine cutting down your cleaning time, tackling dust and allergens, and doing it all with one powerful, stylish machine. Alright folks, that's a wrap on the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Ready to transform your cleaning routine? Click the link below to get yours today. Happy cleaning!